Good morning, students. Sairam. Children, before we begin with today's session, let us have a quick recall of the common controls in Visual Basic 6.0 that we have learned in our previous session. Children, we have learned about the text box, label, and command button. The text box is the standard control for accepting input from the user as well as to display the output. The label is used to provide instructions and guides to the users. It can also be used to display outputs. The command button is used to execute commands. Continuing with this topic today, we will learn the next common control, which is option button. Now children, what is the function of the option button? Option button controls are also known as radio button because of their shape. Option button controls are used in a group of two or more because their purpose is to offer a number of mutually exclusive choices. Anytime you click on a button in the group, it switches to a selected state and all the other controls in the group becomes unselected. When an option button is selected, its value is set to true, and when it is unselected, its value is set to false. You can see in the image that there are three option button with three different options, of which the required option will be selected. Children, the best example to have the understanding of option button is the question paper with multiple choice, where one has to select only one option that will be the correct answer. Now we shall execute a program using option button and shape control. In this program, the shape control is placed in the form together with 6 option boxes. When the user clicks on different option boxes, different shapes will appear. The value of shape controls are 0 for a rectangle, 1 for a square, 2 for an oval shape, 3 for a circle, 4 for a rounded rectangle, and 5 for a rounded square. So let's have a practical understanding of this program by executing it. Now we will create the interface. Children, at first we will go to toolbox and select the shape control. Look at the shape option in the properties window. By default, rectangle shape is selected. When we click on drop down menu, various options for shapes are available. We shall now execute all these shapes using the option button. Since we are having 6 shape options, we will place 6 option buttons. Now place 6 option buttons and change the font size to 14. Remember children, in our last session, we have learnt about the use of command button to exit the program. So now we will place command button and once again change the font size to 14. Now we will give captions to option button and command button from the properties window. The first option is rectangle. Change the caption to rectangle. Similarly, we will give it to other shape options also. Children, now we can see that the interface is ready. The next stage is to write the code for option button and command button. Now click on the first option, start writing shape1 dot shape is equal to 0. Go to the form design window, click on the second option, start writing shape1 dot shape is equal to 1. Once again go to the form design window, click on the third option and start writing the code as shape1 dot shape is equal to 2. Shape1 dot shape is equal to 3. Go to the forms design window, click on the next option and start writing shape1 dot shape is equal to 4. So for the last option, shape1 dot shape is equal to 5. Children, you can see that different shapes are represented by different values as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Now go to the forms design window, click exit button and write the code as end. Students, now let us execute the program. Here you can see that by default the first option is selected, which is a rectangle. Now when we select specific option, accordingly the shape gets displayed as we have written code for each option. One very important thing that we need to note here is at one time only one option can be selected and the other option gets unselected. Once we have executed the option button, click on exit to exit the program. So children, this was the program on the option button. Children, I am sure that you must be practicing these programs at home. We shall learn some more common controls in Visual Basic 6.0 in our next session. Children, keep practicing till then. Thank you.